This affiliate program will pay a $1,500 affiliate commission per referral. This is one of the highest paying affiliate programs. Now if I show you that in a little bit more detail, then as you can see, for the paid conversion you'll earn $60. Paid conversion means some of their premium plans, and its referral period is for 90 days. And then we can see for the enterprise sale they will pay $1,500. So if someone buys their enterprise plan then you'll earn $1,500 guys. And its referral period is also 90 days. Then for the enterprise lead you'll earn $40, and $40 is for the lead, and the referral period is for 90 days. So the referral period is 90 days is really a great thing. Let me explain what this referral period is. Referral period means when someone will come to this platform through your affiliate link, but if they don't buy anything, they think okay I'll buy this service later. And then within 90 days if they come again to this platform, and if they make a purchase on it, then you'll get your commission, and it could be $1,500 guys. So that's really a cool thing they have. Okay, so the platform is guys called BigCommerce. So let me explain first what BigCommerce is. BigCommerce is a fully hosted software as a service, SaaS platform that lets you build, run, and manage e-commerce stores. Even if someone has limited technical knowledge, it's simple to use, and BigCommerce provides a stellar tech support team to guide every step of the way while building a storefront. So BigCommerce is a great platform to build a large online store, and hopefully you now understand about this platform. So you want to come over to bigcommerce.com, and once you come to this website, then you'll go all the way to the bottom of the website, and you want to find out this affiliate link, and you want to click on it, and that is gonna take you to this page. And here you can see you can earn $1,500 per enterprise customer, and if we go a little bit down, then here you can see at first you want to apply for an account. You'll fill out their application form, it's free and it'll only take 2 minutes. And then you'll get already designed marketing materials. And then per conversion you'll get paid up to 200% commission. So all you want to do is simply click this Apply Today button, and that's gonna take you to this page. Now here you want to fill out all of these fields one by one, and you want to submit your application. And now let me show you something. If you search BigCommerce on Google, then you can see the first link is the BigCommerce link. But you know what? The first link is actually an ad. People are running BigCommerce ads on Google. So when someone will search BigCommerce on Google, then they will definitely click the first link, and if someone buys the enterprise plan within 90 days, then the ad owner will earn a $1,500 commission for that. So that's one way to promote your affiliate link, and the second way is to use all sorts of free traffic methods. So here I found something called Free Traffic Shotgun System. You can learn how to use all types of free traffic for affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to learn how to use all sorts of free ways to promote any affiliate product, then you can check out the first link in the description. And don't ignore these videos, go ahead and check these different strategies. So don't forget to drop a simple like to this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.